How to forward an entire email thread in Gmail. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to forward an entire email thread in Gmail. Let's get started. First, make sure the conversation view is enabled in your Gmail. At the top right corner of your screen, click Settings, then select See All Settings, scroll down and find Conversation View. Make sure Conversation View On is selected. This setting allows multiple emails in the same thread to be grouped together, which is necessary to forward an entire conversation at once. Next, go back to your inbox and open the email thread or conversation you want to forward. To forward the whole thread, look for the toolbar at the top, click More. From the drop-down menu, select Forward All. You will now see a draft email with the entire conversation included. And that's it. That's how you forward an entire message thread in Gmail. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.